All right, welcome to Technique 360, a hub that reviews technological insights, breakthroughs, advancements, systems, tools, and just virtually everything in the tech space. And in today's video, we'll be looking at AI image generators, formidable, powerful tools you can use to create amazing images using text prompts. Okay, so before we delve in, let's quickly look at a brief review about prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is just the way you construct your statement, the instruction you assign to your image generator to be able to get the best result. So you will take your time and go through this material. The link is already in the description section. Make sure you understand everything, and if you happen to have any question or concerns, you can make use of the comment section. Okay, so this is the building block when it comes to crafting desired images, because the image you will generate lies greatly on the kind of prompt you assign to your image generator. So you have to be intentional about it. Okay, and in this video we will be looking at an image generator we call Flex Clip. It's one of the best out there, Flex Clip. So follow me to the end of this video. Okay, all right, let me get one of these prompts that we'll be using right there now. Okay, so here is your Flex Clip. Okay, so the link to this tool will also be in the description section. So locate it, click and navigate your way to this page. So once you're on this page, on the left, just click AI tools. AI tools. What are you interested in? Image, isn't it? So you can generate image, video, audio. So for now, we are interested in image. You click the image tab. It brings you here. What do you want to do? You want to generate an image from a text. So you pick AI text to image option. Okay. So it brings you here. All right. So on the left, you have a field where you can type in or paste your prompt and other settings you can do. So we also have some template here. When you hover over each of them, the prompt that was used to generate it pops up, so you can also use either of these as a guide. Okay, so now we copied a prompt from our document, so we paste it here. So this is the prompt we want to use. A gleaming vintage red convertible perfectly restored parked on a winding coastal road at sunset, and the rest. Okay, so your prompt is very, very important. The kind of prompt you assign to your image generator, very, very important. So be as detailed and descriptive as possible in order to get the best possible result of the image you desire. So once you are done with your prompt here, you go over to the style section, you pick a style. What style do you want? Okay, is it photo, digital, anime, painting, vintage? Okay, so from our prompt there is a vintage statement there, so let's pick vintage, 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 or you can as well leave it as none so that the generator will decide for you what's best for you. Okay, so the style, let me leave the style at none. Then the model, which model do we use now? Let's use the fast model, fast model, fast model. Have the pro model, ultra model, but obviously the pro and the ultra are subscription based. So when you subscribe, you're able to have access to the pro and ultra models. So this is a free tier which is sufficient if we are not really doing much on this site. So the ratio which talks about the image dimension, ratio 1:1 is a square, 16 by 9 is landscape, 9 by 16 portrait. We have other ones here you can pick from. So for our prompt, let's go with ratio 1:1, which is a square. So the image is going to be a square. So image count, how many image do you want it to suggest for you at a go? So let's pick maybe 3 or 4 images, or maybe for now let's stick to 2 images. In the free tier, you can only get 2 images per time. If you want more, then you have to subscribe. Okay, so once you are done with this, all we have to do is click generate on the bottom left. We are done with our prompt. This is our prompt here. We are done with our settings. All we have to do is click generate and watch the magic happen. So say generating. So if you are getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, Technique 360, a hub that reviews technological insight, advancements, breakthroughs, tools, systems, and just what have you in the tech space. Okay, thank you for staying tuned up till now. So while we wait for our image to come up, so it's generating our image. Okay, all right. So there are other things you can also do with flex clip. You can generate audio, you can make a video with them. As you can see on the top right corner, I say image to video. From this image, if we want to make a video of it, we just click image to video. So here is it. Our image is ready. From the prompt we gave it, this is the image we actually desire. Okay, so when you hover any of them, you can click download and you'll be able to use your image on any platform, because as it is not paid for. This is a free image you can use. Okay, so let's pick this one. So from here, it shows you the prompt that was used in generating this image. Okay, the model, the resolution, the date. From here, you can make a video of this. Okay, you can what? Download. That it can even share from here directly to other platforms like your social media handles. Okay, that's basically, there's no other settings or manipulation or editing you need to do. If peradventure is not the way you want it, you can reconstruct, edit your prompt to get your desired image. So this image is very okay from my prompt. I'm okay with this image. So if I want to make a video of it, I will click image to video. But that is not our focus in this video. Our focus is mainly to generate images using text, otherwise known as prompts. So go through the material very well and make sure you acquaint yourself with all you need to do to craft the best prompt possible. Okay, then you come back to your flex clip and try things out. So that is basically all for now. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the end. See you in other videos. Bye for now.